Boom shakalaka. Today's video, we're taking a look at the top 10 altcoins for December 2021. Historically, December has been the pinnacle of the bull run. We are in a massive bull run right now. If this is the bull run, well, potentially, you might want to have some of these top altcoins in your portfolio because guess what? Last month, it picked out 10x coins. So, you'll definitely want to stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, we're taking a look at the top 10 coins for December 2021. What could be the pinnacle of the 2021 bull market. These are coins you definitely want to have in your portfolio. We're going to take a look using a strategy that picked out some coins that 10x'd last month. Now, before we get into it, guys, well, first off, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, come join us over on Twitter for one of these shirts. Also, just push the like button, and also, this dip that we have just recently had is not like the others. Based on this chart here from Willy Woo, he calls this dip whales by the effing dip. Because if we take a look at some of the previous dips over the past year, we had the COVID pandemic. Guess what? Whales sold. We had the wick off drop. Well, whales sold. But the most recent sell-off, where the price came down from 70,000 to 50,000, guess what? Whales bought. And most likely what's going to happen is we're going to see a lot of this over the next few months with pumps in prices of altcoins. So what altcoins do you want to have in your portfolio? Great question. That is why we are heading over to Token Metrics. Now, in case you haven't used Token Metrics before, there is a discounted link down in the description and the pinned comment. You should check it out for yourself. It's pretty darn awesome. Now, how I like to use it on a monthly time frame for making these monthly altcoin videos that tend to do very, very well. Like last month, picked out some coins that 10x'd. Well, you go to analytics, you go to indices, which brings you here to the indices. They put together a group, a portfolio of 10 different coins on a month that will likely work well together. Now, in this episode here, we're doing monthly. We're not including the low cap, more stability, less risk, but also potentially less reward. And if you take a look, it actually tracks the performance over the different exchanges. And we can see over all exchanges, there's about 176% returns on average. But on KuCoin, it's much, much higher. So what you can actually do, and what I've done up here, is I've chosen the exchanges and then chosen KuCoin, which given us one of probably the most exciting portfolios I've seen in a while. So let's get into it. The first one is Sandbox. Now, this should be no surprise. This has been going crazy lately, as the metaverse has as well. This could potentially be one of the biggest plays in the metaverse, and they just recently started their alpha. This could very well be like it could be like Minecraft on the blockchain, potentially. It looks a lot like it. Now, if you take a look at Sandbox right now, ranked 41, trading at $6.25, market cap $5.7 million. And if we take a look at the chart, it is up towards all-time highs. Could potentially have had a little bit of a double top right there. But if the trend is our friend, if the metaverse trend is our friend, this could be one of the biggest plays in the metaverse. So we'll have to definitely see on that one, especially as it continues to develop, as people continue to play the alpha. The next one, big coin out there, ELROND, the internet scale blockchain is live. This is one of the other very popular large blockchains out there. Highly scalable, fast, and secure blockchain for dApps. Now, if we take a look at this one, right now ranked 28th, $374, $7.5 billion market cap. Now, if we scroll down and look at the chart, again, this one is starting to really pick up, just as a nice steady trajectory upwards, not really parabolic yet, except a little bit right there, but it came back down. We're still maintaining that trend line. And if we start to see a lot of coins pumping, this could very well be another one of the big platforms pumping, like the next coin that's showing up here, Avalanche. Now, Avalanche should be no surprise to anybody. We've done videos on some of the best apps in the Avalanche platform, or the best projects on Avalanche. Well, this is blazingly fast, low cost, and eco-friendly, the fastest smart contract platform in the blockchain industry, probably one of the most popular ones as well. And if we take a look at this one, right now ranked 11th, almost in the top 10, $118 per AVAX token. Right now, market cap $26 billion. And if we take a look at the chart, again, nice steady growth continuing. So this would be a good buy to continue with the trend being your friend until it breaks that line of steady growth. Now, we talked about Avalanche there, but also another one in the Avalanche ecosystem is Avalanche, interoperable token pools and auctions for the Avalanche blockchain. Welcome to the future of fundraising exclusively for the Avalanche ecosystem to offer promising and innovative projects, a fast, secure, and efficient platform for decentralized funding. So basically, like an Avalanche launchpad. And if we take a look at this one, right now ranked 253. So way down there in terms of all the coins, but it does have the potential to be huge, especially if Avalanche is going to be huge. Right now, $17.87. Total market cap, $348 million. And as we can see, this one's starting to tick up a little bit more. Definitely having a little bit more of a parabolic trend right there. But again, when the trend is your friend, well, these ones that are going up can go up pretty darn significantly, especially when they're not on the first page. Which brings us to the next one, being Vulcan Forged. I've seen this one showing up a lot when looking at metaverse tokens on Token Metrics. This is harnessing the power of Vulcan. Play, build, collaborate, earn, and build your ideas to life with the fastest growing blockchain game and dApp platform. A lot of different games out there. Potentially, we could have a lot of people using the platform. If we take a look at this one, ranked 154th, right now trading at $43, market cap $821 million. And as you can see here, we are waiting because actually CoinGecko crashed, so I didn't have the whole chart here. I actually had to shift over to Coin Market Cap for the next one, so you can research that chart on your own. Which brings us to PHANTASMA, the next coin. This one, pretty popular. Haven't heard it talked about for a while, but we have smart entities, gaming, dApps. You connect, create, control. And if we take a look right here, guess what? On-chain gaming. He's talked about some big ones. Like he was talking about Gala way before anybody else was talking about it, and he's also been talking about PHANTASMA as well, so potentially has the potential to be big. Now, PHANTASMA right now ranked 187th, trading at $3.19, market cap $328 million. The chart, it really has taken off over the last month. It was about 60 cents now all the way up to $3.19, but being all the way down there on the second page of CoinMarketCap has the potential for some growth. On to the next one. NERVOS, God Woken is live. Our EVM-compatible layer live provides fast, scalable, familiar platform for decentralized apps. Join the God Woken listing program. Beyond interoperability towards universal applications. So NERVOS is aiming to do a lot there. If we take a look at this one, trading at roughly 2 cents right now, ranked 123. And guess what? This one isn't even at all-time highs. This one was at all-time highs back in March, has come all the way down. We could have being the formation of a giant cup and handle right here. If it blasts past this previous all-time highs, could be headed a lot higher. The next one is Divi project, Crypto Made Easy. Their mission is to accelerate the adoption of digital currencies, building financial solutions of the market for everyone. They make crypto easy, complete financial ecosystem in one click. Now, Divi right now ranked 168th, trading at 16 cents, market cap $429 million. This one has had a little bit of exponential gain recently. Sometimes Token Metrics picks up these exponential gainers, and sometimes they continue going. Like, for instance, it picked up Solana when it was like $20, even though it was an exponential gainer at that point, and rode it all the way up to the top. So this one has the potential to go up, but also sometimes we might see a little bit of a retracement when these things are at insane peaks like this one's at. Which brings us to the next one, Ultra, a new era for gamers. The first entertainment platform providing a variety of game industry services under a single roof, accessible through a single login. So you can see what it's going to look like right there. And you can discover Ultra on your own for all the gaming possibilities out there. Now this one trading at $1.82 right now, rank 161. This one has recently come up pretty high, had a peak there towards the end of November, but has retraced quite a bit. Potentially, Token Metrics is thinking this one could continue going up, especially if it bounces off of this previous resistance line right here, which would be somewhere right around 150. If it bounces off of that and heads up north, well, could be looking pretty darn good. Which brings us to the next one, Axia Coin, not to be confused with Axia Protocol. This is a new reserve currency for the world, the first ever hyper-deflationary asset-supported digital currency that can be used globally with ease. Definitely not the first ever. There's a billion hyper-deflationary assets that can be used globally with ease. But they put that on their website, and Tokenmetrics picked it out. Despite all that stuff, you can find out more about the coin, deflationary nature, but it delivers value and medium exchange and all that, and has its own app. Now, if we take a look at this one right now, $2.58. Market cap rank is way down there because the market cap isn't really known that well. Has $284 million right now, but you can see nice steady growth on this Axia coin right now. So guys, that brings us all of the coins, the top 10 coins for December of 2021. Me personally, I would definitely be looking at a lot of these coins that I know about, seeing if they're in my portfolio. Also, the coins that I don't know about, I would go investigate them more thoroughly, see if they have good teams, if they have good long-term projects, long-term plans, and then consider adding them to your portfolio. And if you haven't tried out Tokenmetrics yet, you can not only do this on monthly time frames, you can do this weekly, you can do this daily, you can even do this with low cap coins and on all different exchanges. Like, you could try and buy this stuff when it's only available on DEXs before it makes it to any of these bigger exchanges. Tokenmetrics lets you do all of that. There are links down in the description and the pinned comment. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you did enjoy it, make sure to like. I will catch you guys later. Have a good one. Peace.